Hey everyone, and welcome to a new series of videos on something very near and dear to me. Extremely tiny particles with no electric charge. This is where they get their name, squishing the word neutral together with ino to get the title neutrino. Why should anyone care about neutrinos? We'll spend much of our time answering this question, both directly and indirectly. But for now, here's a first pass at the answer. There's a lot we don't know about neutrinos still, and what we do know about them perplexes and intrigues us. They're everywhere in the universe, and they could answer fundamental questions about the nature of reality. If you care a lot about the practical side of this too, the world invests tons of money into international collaborations that study these particles. And there is still so much to learn that we are only beginning to scratch the surface of potential societal applications. Neutrinos are weird, they're exciting, they're mysterious, and they're the focus of this new series on neutrino physics and astronomy.